Kahit kaya nila yan.
Rebels. Oh. My out. Tohon.
Kayang-kaya nila yan.
Batang Stoneng. Ayun. Konting na makuha. Double team. Double team. Nakuha na tuloy. Ayun na. Rebels. Second advantage. Rudy. Next ball. Pero good ball. Two shots. First throw by Rudy.
Bante mo na konting upuan.
Second throw, over again. Rebound by Alvin. Alvin na madali. Intercepted by Rudy. Rudy to Ariel. Oops! May symbol. Symbol pa din.
Sarado ko yun, kuya. Ako kuha sa picture.
Eh, Bob.
Darius. To Jermel. Jermel. Harap. To Rudy again. Pinali. Wala. Rebound by Idolers. Oh, high. Shot by oh, high. Nakuha ulit. Alara for 3. Bang bang! Darius to Padilla. To Jervel. Jervel. Hindi nila pull up. Too strong. Oh, my out. Idolers rebound. To Jervel. To Rodi again. Rodi. Tiktos wala. Rebound by number 15. To Alvin. Alvin. Ay, may travel na. Travel na. Score natin. Parang kami na lang. First game. 2-3. Pero Batang Stoneng. Turns. To Cotilla. Cotilla to 3. Oh, what a pass! Pull up 3 again. Wala. Pasa again. Oops. Kuha kaya? Oops. Good. Good. Huwag kayong nito. Pagkatawag. Ay ka. Nakin ko ang kamay. Alaro. Good shot. Sa kanya yung first 5 points para Alaro.
Ganda na laro nyo. Paano sila yun? Wala sila. Wala. Boss.
Darius. Pull up 3. Hala! Pure point shot ito rin.
Oh, shoot.
What a shot.
Kain ka na rin, pre.
Nakahiga yan habang tumitera.
Nabiyag ko, Michael.
Gaba nga. Tinutulungan.
Dami ang tao.
Oops! Nakakumpla is 2 shots. Batang Stoneng ball. Sayang. Next 5. Next 5. Next time na 5 minutes please. Ref.
Nakuha nila.
Thank you. Darius na mamadali. To Codilla. Codilla to Capello. What a waste. 2 against 1.
Maganda na, ano?
To Alvin. Alvin, wala! Rebound by Alvin again. Shoot, shoot! Iris to him. Huwag kayo minto! Hindi na mga ano yan. Mga iba. Walang tawag.
Sabi ko na lang kay Joseph ko. Kung bigay ko na lang yung sabi si Joseph. Dala ng bola. Oo.
Pag buminto kayo, advantage ng kalaban yan. Yan, mapaginto. Jebelola. Ayun. Time out. Thank you, Rap. Lopez. Kick out to Alaro collect 3.
Kailan ba mga anak yan?
Almost but not. Rebound by Jebel. May tawag sa likod. Foul number Lopez. Lopez.
Ayun.
Number 8.
5 months?
Dark. 13 foul yung Dark, ha? Kailangan na lang para penalty. Jebel collect 2. Smooth shot. Pasok. Lamang na ng 5. Rebel.
Pasok ka na pala tayo. Pasok tayo. Pasok tayo. Busog pa.
Apat na pala, apat. Alam ko. Alaro again. No. Not this time. Numerecho.
Itutulak ka
At sa kanya. May 7 points na sa kanya. Points.
Swerte pa kami.
Jerbel to Darius.
Wala yung polter.
No.
Wala no.
Jerbel. Darius again.
Wala yung mura.
Oops. Natamaan sa
Sino
paa.
manalo dito? Yun ang makalaban namin.
Last 2 minutes.
Oh, yata.
First quarter. Last 2 minutes. Uy! Nawala.
May paglalagyan kami, kayo ang nanalo dito.
Naman yung
Okay naman.
Padelia. Branded by Alaro. Again. Wala.
Kaya nga, excited ako sa laro na.
What a good screen by Alaro. Lopez. 2 against 1. Wow! Pang klase.
Ito yun.
Collected defense yun, ah. Iniiwa. Jerbel again. Back shot, no good. Good back shot by Alaro. Alaro dribbling the ball. Na-intercept. Oops! Kuha niya. Kuhay. Cordelia. 3 against 1. To Jerbel. To Cordelia. To Kapili. Uy! Lumabas. Warning po. Penalty na yung batak sa din.
3 on
41. 2 fouls.
Ah!
2 fouls. Number 1 ha. 2 fouls.
Hindi ko na ano yan, napanood.
Laro, 2 personal foul. First row wala. Rebound by Darius. What? Nakuha niya Laro. Pinasa daw kay Lopez. Lopez, 1-on-1 against Darius. Oh, my foul. 3 shots. 17. Foul. First. Wala na yung first foul. No.
Wala ka dyan, pre?
Foul. Foul. Stop, ref. Stop. Out. Number. Sobra na kayo dyan. Ayan. Score natin ha. 19, 17. Lamang yung Rebels. Traveling ang tawag. Foul na yung Rebels. Dalawang foul na lang po penalty. Rudy, na-trap, tumira, trap pa din. Ang haba ng nakataas na kamay. All right, my foul. No points. Sub rep, sub, foul 29, sub Ernesto out. Ernesto pala, hindi pala si Alvin. Second throw, good shot by Oahay. Three seconds violation. It's all by Rep Bob. 3 seconds, walang mapuntahan. Walang mapuntahan. Good block din. Good block by Oiko. Malapit na. Oy, tsaka Oiko. Uy, sayang. Nahuli. Nahuli yung ano eh. Yan na. Taki na yung kataksanin. To number 8. Oh yeah. Montek na. Lopez no? To number 13, pull up 3. Corner shot, no good. Rebound by Oahay. Oahay bringing up the ball. Sabi nga, magmadali. Go ka na. Miggy, pull up. Go. Shooting foul on the drive.
Mark.
May phone pala naman. Good shot, second shot by Meli. Number 13, guarded by Cordelia. Kick out, no good. Walang napuntahan. Miggy for the steal. Miggy on the way. Wala. Malakas yung running shot niya. Number 13 to number 20. Pull-up shot. 29 pala. Wala. Kulang sa lugaw. Wala shot. Si Daisy. Hi! Wala. Hindi nagtingin sa oras. Jelben, no good. Alaro bringing up the ball. Guided by Cordelia. Oha high down, Oha high. Oiko to Alaro pull up 3. Rebound by Rudy Fernandez. To Jelben. Brian. To Kuya Ares. Oy! Malakas. Huwag mong bigyan ng ganang pasa. Oy! Wala. Huwag mong bigyan ng ganang pasa. Oy, guy. Alam mo, guy. Pull up again. No good, Alaro. To Ernesto. Wow! Ernesto for 2. Tayo score ulit. Yan. Ang laya. Foul sa'yo eh. May holding foul. Number 1. 3 personal foul yung nalaro. Ay, hindi daw. 8 daw. 8 yung foul. Hindi na ba? Wala na. Kumawi na ba? Nakaisa eh. Si Lopez pala yung tatlo. Sorry. Lopez, 3rd personal foul. Oiko, guarded by Oahay. Nakataas kamay. Intercepted by Jerbel. Jerbel to Codilla. Gonzalez again. Hugo. Warning lang naman. Ayan. Mag-warning ha, uy. Ayan o, concentrate kayo. Hindi kayo mag-concentrate. Paano na kayo dyan? Ina-advantage lang yan. Every advantage down. First throw, wala. Second throw, wala. Rebound by Oko. Oiko to Ernesto. Ernesto. Off. Shooting. Foul. Foul number 8. Sub. Totally out. No, 2 shots. First throw by Ernesto, no good. Second throw. May foul. Foul sa taas. Saan na ka? First throw by Oahay. Naawa. Na, 3 points na yun naman ng Rebels. Alaro. Screen to Lopez. Nagpeke. Dumiretso. Wow, what a move by Kobe Bryant. Number 8. Jerbel. Rudy. Kulang sa pikos. Black ball. Obvious foul. Ay, sakto na tayo. Warning po, penalty na yung black ha. One more foul, digit. Penalty na yung ano to. Sub. Pap. Labas, Ernesto. May third personal foul ka na yata o fourth? Third. Alin mo na, mag-graduate ka na. Third. Pati sana lang natin na wait, baka tayo kapili to Jerben. Nagpeke ulit? Wala? Wow! Jerben lagi, Rudy! Kapili! Up to Jerben! Oiko! Kuha na naman ulit kaya? To Lopez. Nag-3 by Alvin.
Can I go down here
Why?
Lamang na kayo.
so I don't get caught there?
Saan mo dadaling yan? Oo, sige.
Saan? Sa kabila. Wala. Alaro, Loe. Kulang. Rebound by Darius. Time out, blue. Time out muna. Time out, blue. Isa na yung lamang ng Batang Stoning ha. Isa lang. Wow! Rebound by Oiko. Alaro sang his own shots, no good. Jerben, 3 against 3. Wait, what an umbrella block. Blocked by Oiko. The rim protector yan. Yan si Oiko, the rim protector. High. Wow shot by Capelle. 40 seconds left. Foul number 17. Dalawa Darius. Reaching foul yun. Alaro for 3, no good. Sa pala daw kay Lopez. Rebound by Rudy Fernandez. Black ball.
Last shot!
Na kayo ang mag-into. Alaro, single. Bang! Yan ang problema. Pag walang balik. Ay, shot clock tayo ha. Pre. Gumagana ka doon, shot clock.
Kainan ka ba dyan? Ano, yung anak ni Kuya Kenneth?
8 seconds shot clock.
Birthday yata, tsaka gender.
5.
Ganda ng laban.
Foul. Yung una, 22 second shot clock. Miggy, no good. Rebound. Oh. It's okay. Kaya nga. Oh, 14 second shot clock ha. Rebound by to Lopez. 19 second shot clock. Off. 14 second shot clock. Oh shit. Teka. Ayan. 10 second shot clock. Uy, bola nila. Bola nila. Pagbigay na yan. Ano bang ginagawa nyo? Ernesto. To. Alaro to la 3. Bang! Okay. Oo lang kasi oh, tie score tayo ha, tie score. Walang nakalamang, puro trace. Ernesto. Hoy, may hawak. Push. Ayun. Oh, 14 second shot clock. Oh, 3 minutes na tayo. Lopez. Miggy. 3 against 3. 3 on 3. Miggy to Codilia. Codilia pull up. No good. Rebound by Lopez. Lopez got it by number 15 all the way. No good. Alaro. Wow!
Sorry, boss.
Oh, lamang na, lamang. Next up, rep. Bakit ayaw mag-run? 9-10 second shot clock. Cordelia. To Rudy. Rudy. Uy, down low. So high. Kineke. Knock-block tuloy. Sayang yung opportunity. 15 second shot clock. Lopez. Drop. Oh. To Nelson. Nelson pull up. 7 shot. 6. 5. 3. Pumasok. Kuha na ba? Oh. Battle baser. Time out. Blue. 16 second shot clock. 12. 9 second shot clock. Pull up. Bang.
Daddy, I got the one I wanted.
Dalawa lang ang
It's
lamang.
this one. Yay.
Lopez. kayo. Thank you rin. O, yan na. Hoy, namatay. Sige. Okay, good. Back to the game. Next up, rep. Sablo. Next up, sablo, ha. Hoiko to Alaro. Alaro. De derecho. Walang natama yung wing. Hoy, what a fight. Oh, 5 na lang. 3 na yung lamang. Hoiko. Oh, good. Don't stop. No whistle, don't stop. Oh, yun, may tawag. Sub rep, sub blue. Okay, going.
Okay lang naman. Ay, si ano, sa'yo?
Uy, first throw, wala. 2 minutes pa ito, ha. Mahaba pa ito. Second throw, wala. Oh. Time out, block. Block.
Stepping.
Pasok! Isa na lang. Isa na lang may laman. Isa na lang. Isa lang yung lamang. Lamang sila ng 3. Isa na lang. Ito, yung oras ha. Pag nag-ano. Pero may suot. Hey! Bakla! Ayaw. Darius for 3. Monte ka na. Rebound by Rodi. Rebound by Rodi again. Oops, my foul. Lamang pa. Lamang pa yung black team ha. Oh, black team. Warning na kaya po penalty, isang foul. First throw, wala. Just a reminder ha, penalty na yung ano, black team, 1 more foul to do. Rebound. Ayun, Lopez. Ayun na, Nelson! Uy, malakas Time out, Blue. Blue.
Pinilit eh.
7.3 seconds. Maganda do. 7.3 seconds. Hala! Yan. Penalty situation. Wala pa. Naubos na. Wala na. Inubos na yung timeout. Hoy, pareho kayong walang timeout na. Oy! First throw wala. Mahaba pa yan. 4.4 seconds.
Next kita eh. Ayaw ko pwedeng
No timeout na. No timeout kayo. Ano? Penalty ano? Ayun na, pumasok. 3 points na yung pag-asa. Uy, tinapon. Uy, bakit? Tinapon.